Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to twin an app on a Huawei device. But if you guys are using any other Android devices, these steps will be it won't be 100% exact, but they will be similar. So the easiest way of explaining to you why you would want to twin your app is, let's use WhatsApp for example. So let's just say you have two SIM cards and you would want two different profiles for your WhatsApp. So one would be for your first SIM and the other would be for your second SIM. So you would want it to appear on two icons. So the only way to actually do that is to twin your app, and this is what this video is going to be about, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually twin your app. So for the purpose of this video I'm going to be using WhatsApp for the example, but you guys can use it on any other apps that you guys want to twin. And make sure that the app actually supports, not all apps support this twinning feature, so make sure your app actually supports the feature. So it's actually pretty easy to do, but before I actually get into the video, don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button down below. And with that, let's get straight into the video. So if you guys see right here, I have one WhatsApp icon only because I haven't twinned the app yet, and this is because I only have one SIM. But let's just say you have two SIMs and you would want two different icons. So one for your, like I said, one for your the first SIM and the second one for your second SIM. So this is how you do it. What you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings. Okay, from the top, what you guys are going to want to do is scroll down until you find apps. If you want, you can actually search for it, apps, and if you click open apps, if you guys saw there was the twin app feature, but for this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how to actually do it on the normal way. So it's actually kind of easy if you do it this way, or you could use the search bar if you want. So from here, what you guys are going to want to do is scroll down until you find apps, and then go to the last option before app settings, and you guys should be able to see app twin. So if you can't find it in here, all you guys want to do is search up app twin in the search bar. So this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna go to the search bar to search up app twin, and click this. So it's the same setting as if you were to press the app twin from the apps menu. So once you guys are here, as you guys can see, WhatsApp, if you guys have any other apps other than WhatsApp that you want to twin, it should be within this list. If it's not here, it means your app doesn't support it, or you're gonna have to twin your app through the app itself. So you're gonna open the app and then there will be a twin app option within the app itself. So for WhatsApp it is here, so we're gonna use it. So all I have to do to twin it is turn the slider on. So as you guys can see, it will say creating twin app. It'll take a few seconds, and as you guys can see, twin app icon added to home screen. So all you guys want to do is come out of your settings, you can close it, and as you guys can see right there, you have WhatsApp number 2, which is your second icon. Now it doesn't matter which one you would like to set up to which SIM. You could set up the new one to your first SIM, and whichever the one you already downloaded to your first SIM, to your first SIM, yeah. So it doesn't matter whichever you set up, but whatever you assign, whichever WhatsApp you assign to your SIM, that is the WhatsApp is going to be on. So if I open this up, as you guys can see, you have to set up a new one because it is an app twin. So it's basically like two different separate apps. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something, and if you guys want any other tutorials that you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.